Go, Diego, go. Whose foot is it? Whose Foot Is It by Quinlan B. Lee. Look at all the tracks. Let's find out who came to the mountain brook to drink. Whose foot made this track? Let's look at the book. Very good. This was a big bird foot. A big bird stood at the brook and took a drink. Whose foot was this? This foot was a hoof. Very good. Who has a hoof? Is a puma foot a hoof? No, a llama foot is a hoof. Linda the llama stood at the brook and took a drink. Whose foot is this? A puma foot? A bird foot? Who came to the brook? Me! That is my foot.